Bonjour mes étudiants en 6th standard. I welcome you all for this new session. So last class we were seeing lesson 5 dans la classe. So let's see a revision on this. Lesson 5 dans la classe. Écoutez et regardez. Dialogue 1. Bonjour. Bonjour, monsieur. Vous avez le livre de français? Oui, monsieur, nous avons le livre de français. Le professeur est grand. Oui, en plus, il est sympathique. Dialogue 2. Voilà Isabelle. Qui est ce? C'est une amie de Caroline. Elle a quel âge? Elle a 10 ans, elle est jolie. Des adjectifs. In French, the adjectives agree with noun when it qualifies. Exemple 1. Manuel est grand. Noun, adjective. Manuel et Anish sont grands. Noun, adjective. The feminine is normally formed by adding an E to the masculine form. Example. Caroline est grande, but it does not take another E if already existing in an E. Exemple. Sympathique. Sympathique féminin singulier. Les adjectifs. The plural is formed by adding an S to the singular form. Example. Ils sont grands. Elles sont grands. But it does not take another S if already S ending with an S. Il est gros. Ils sont gros. L'accord des adjectifs. Agreement of adjectives. Masculin singulier, masculin pluriel, féminin singulier, féminin pluriel. In English, petit, 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 petit. Grand, grand, grande, grande. Joli, 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 joli. Laide, 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 laide. Intelligent, intelligent, intelligente, intelligente. Mince, 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 mince. Sympathique, 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 sympathique. Bon, bon, bonne, bonne. Mauvais, mauvais, mauvaise, mauvaise. Beau, beau, belle, belle. Gros, gros, grosse, grosse. Content, content, contente, contente. Mécontent, mécontente, mécontente, mécontente. Verbs with avoir singulier. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a. Pluriel. Nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Je becomes J apostrophe before the vowel, silent H. Over as many uses, it means to have. It is also used to tell the age. Example, j'ai 2 stylos. I have 2 pens. J'ai 10 ans. I am 10 years old. Okay, now let's go to exercise number 6. So far the revision is over. So last class we finished till exercise number 5. Now we are going to see exercise number 6. So in exercise number 6, I want you to do 2 things. First, we'll concentrate on mete au pluriel. Please repeat mete au pluriel. Read the heading before you just answering this. Make these sentences into plural form, okay? J'ai un crayon. Tu as une gomme. Il est petit. Elle est jolie. C'est une gomme. So if you see the subject, first we have to convert the subject into plural form. So first where we have to go, we must be able to, yes, over tabular column. See, in the singular form here it is j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, right? So all this singular form will be there in your question. So these forms should be converted into plural form, okay? So whenever you see j'ai in the question, you have to change it as nous avons. Tu as, you have to write vous avez. Il a, you have to write ils ont. And elle a, you have to write elles ont, okay? So these are the things you have to do first. So first we will see what is there. So first one is j'ai un crayon. So j'ai, that should be changed as nous avons. So write nous avons here first. Nous avons. And un crayon should be changed as they. D-E-S C-R-A-Y-O-N-S. I will not show the answers now. I want you to write because you should be very good in listening. So I am just dictating now. In the answer key, I will give you the answers. Okay. So I will repeat once again. Please write it. Take out the j'ai and you have to write nous avons. If you don't know the spelling for nous avons, it might be somewhere. You can just copy from here. See here. Nous avons. First write nous avons. And then take out this un and you have to write des here. They crayon, C-R-A-Y-O-N-S. Second is tu as une gomme. This should be changed as vous avez. Vous avez, you have to write vous avez here. Une gomme should become des gommes, D-E-S-G-O-M-M-E-S. So number 1 is okay, number 2 is over. Number 3, il est petit. So this IL should be changed as ILS. Ils sont. A petit should become SONT. Ils ont. The plural form of ILS. The plural form of EST is SONT. Ils ont petit. In this petit you have to write P-E-T-I-T-S. If you don't know, you can see the petit spelling here. See, masculine plural, here is the spelling. And the plural form ILSONT. Ils ont. Sorry if I said SONT, it is, it is SONT. Ils ont petit, because être verb, okay? Ils sont, SONT, okay? Elle est jolie, that will become ELLES. Elles, ELES, elle. EST will become SONT here, and jolie will become JOLIES. JOLIES should be written here. Elles sont jolies. Fifth one, c'est une gomme. Saison, CE. This EST will become SONT here. Une gomme will become DES, des gommes, DES, GOMMES, des gommes. Saison des gommes. So that we are over, and next we can go to exercise number 9. Joli, belle, mauvais, laid. So you have to find the hard one out here. Chaise and l'entrus, that is, choose the odd one out. So joli, belle, mauvais, laid. So joli, it comes under beautiful, beautiful. Laid, again it is ugly. So mauvais is the answer. Mauvais is meaning is bad. So circle this. Mince, grand, beau, gros. Mince means thin, tall, and this one is fat. This one is comes under beauty. Okay, smart. So circle this. Beau. Chocolat, gâteau, manteau, bonbon. So these three things alone comes from eatable. Manteau is a cloth which we wear. So circle this manteau. Médecin, homme, engineer, professor. So which one should we choose? Médecin, homme, engineer, professor. So medicine is a profession, engineer is a profession, professor is a profession. But home is not a profession, the meaning is man. So circle this. Trousse, cahier, chemise, gomme. So if you see this, this will be there in your box. Trousse. Cahier is a notebook. So gomme is a eraser. Chemise is a shirt. So this is the pick one, hard one. Chemise. So number 9. Okay, now this one we will see last. Présentez-les votre mère. I will teach you this. This is your homework for today. Okay. So number 11 and 12 we will finish first, and then we will go for the 10th one. Okay, I will explain you how to do this 10th one. You have to do it on your own. Okay. It's very simple. I will help you. So now opposite section. Petit. Petit is small. The opposite is grand. Grand, grand. So from the adjective section itself you can have the answers. Here are the answers. Petit, opposite is grand. The next question is joli. Joli, opposite is laid. Joli is beautiful, laid means ugly. Okay, even that you can take it as a example. See, Petit is grand and joli is laid. And garçon means boy. Opposite of boy is a girl. Une fille. F-I-L-L-E. Une fille. From the vocabulary section you can see and write. And homme. The answer is une femme. F-E-M-M-E. Une, U-N-E. Une femme. F-E-M-M-E. I guess you guys are writing with a pencil. Please do it. Bon. The opposite of bon is mauvais. I think just now we saw mauvais somewhere. Okay, mauvais spelling I'll just show you. Yeah, mauvais is here. Bon, mauvais. M-A-U-V-A-I-S. Bon, mauvais. Next one is content. Content, mécontent. M-E-C-O-N-T-E-N-T. So it is in the last one. In the revision also I showed you. Mécontent. So don't forget to write this accent aigu. So we are done with exercise number 11 now. Now exercise number 12. Once we complete exercise number 12, I'll teach you exercise number 10 and you have to do it on your own. Okay. Because I cannot do this, see here, présentez-les. Introduce them. You have to introduce your mother here, your father here, your sister, your brother. Okay. So we'll do it slowly. So the last 12th exercise. Mettez les phrases en ordre. Put the sentence in the right order. A grand, a professeur, le maître. So first we have to choose the subject. Le professeur is the subject. Le professeur est, now the verb. Le professeur est grand et mince. You can also write mince et grand. Both are right. But the sentence should start like this. Le professeur. You can put number 1 here. Le professeur number 2. A 3 year. 4 year. Sorry. 4 year. 5 year and 6 year. Le professeur est grand et mince. Second sentence, sympathique et fille. Now this one is la first. La fille est sympathique. It is given the reverse order. You have to write like this. La fille est sympathique. Okay. Third one. Français avait le de livre voir. So this is a question. So there is the interrogative question mark is there. So the question is vous first avez le livre de français. This is the sentence from the passage. Vous avez le livre de français. I'll go to the passage and I'll show you this sentence so that it will be easy for you to write. The professor will ask, no? Vous avez le livre de français? Here's the answer. With the question mark you have to write, okay? So now fourth one. Vous comment appelez-vous? So two vous should come together. Vous vous appelez comment? Vous vous appelez comment? So 1 4 3 2. Vous vous appelez comment? Now the last one, indien oui je suis je. Now this should be written like we first, je suis indien. So just like the second one, it should be in the reverse form. We you take down right here, and then whatever is remaining in the reverse order you write. Je suis indien. So we are done with exercise number 12. Now we are stepping into exercise number 10. Okay, this is the final exercise. Présentez-les. That is, you are going to explain about your father, mother, sister and brother. Some say, sir, I don't have a sister, I don't have a brother, what can I do? Just you describe your cousin, sister or anyone and you can write it. This is for practice alone, okay? So I'll tell you how to do this. So if you want to learn this exercise, your homework, what we have to do is go to this page number 59. Décrire une personne. Take this page. So see, now with the help of these 4 people I'm going to teach you how to describe a person. So with the help of this, in the same order you can describe your father or your mother. So first this lady, okay, elle s'appelle Madame Lapierre. So her name is Madame Lapierre. Elle est professeur, she is a professor. Elle est grande, so feminine, so you have to add an e. Grande means tall. Elle est mince, mince means thin, she is also thin. Elle est sympathique, she is a kind person. Elle a 35 ans, she is 35 years old, okay? So in the same order you can describe your mother. You can tell her name first, her profession and how she is, tall or short. If she is short you can write Petit. If she is fat you can write gros. I have written elle est mince. Sympathique is character and her age. So like this you can describe your mother, okay? Now your brother, how will you describe your brother? Il s'appelle Anish, okay? Il est étudiant, il est petit, il est beau, il a 12 ans. So you can same like this you can describe your father also. So listen carefully. So first your brother's name, il s'appelle Anish. Il est étudiant means he is a student. Il est petit, that means he is small. Okay. Il est beau, he is smart, he looks good. Il a 12 ans. So the finally is how many years he is. Okay. So your sister, now we'll go for your sister or yourself. Okay. So if you note well, al denotes she, third person singular feminine, third person singular masculine. So if you want to introduce yourself, how you will do? That is here. Je m'appelle Pauline, je suis étudiante, je suis petite, je suis intelligent, j'ai 13 ans. See, if you look at this concept, the concept is repeating. Okay. Student, professor, thin, tall, kind, the age is this, everything is repeating. What is used here? The subject is used. The subject is third person singular. Here the subject is third person singular masculine. Here it is first person singular. Here it is third person plural. So like that it will change. That alone you have to be little careful. So this is for your mother, and this you can use for your father or your brother. Both it is. If it is introducing yourself, you can use this one. And last one, if you want to introduce two people at a time, you can use this. Okay, this is rare. You can use it by learning it. Okay. Il s'appelle Dominique. Il s'appelle Dominique et Gérard. So two people I am using. So I am using Dominique et Gérard. Ils ont étudiant. So the both of them they are students. Ils ont petit. Both of them they are short in appearance. Ils ont intelligent. They both are intelligent. Ils ont 14 ans. So they have 14 years. So seeing this page and this exercise as a example, you have to complete this exercise. Okay, this exercise should be done by you. That is exercise number 10. In case in the whole book, if it is not there, you can just copy it from this page and you can write. Okay. In case if you don't have this page in your new book or old book, just take a screenshot of this page in your mobile and you can just do the homework. Okay. So your today's homework has also been explained. Now your online test. Let's discuss on your online test. So today's online test. So your today's online test will be from exercise number 6 and exercise number 11. Okay. So opposites I will ask in online test, and exercise number 6 also I will ask in online test. Okay. So other exercise you have completed today. Now your time to complete your classwork. So complete lesson 5 in your classwork. So what you have to write in your classwork? That is a big question, right? So vocabulary, French passage and English passage you have to write, and all the grammar stuffs whatever is there in this page you have to write, and avoir verb tabular column you have to write, and all the exercises. Exercise number 2 not required. 3, 4, just put a tick mark as I say. 5, 6, 7 and 8 not required. 9, 10, 11 and 12. So with this we are completing lesson 5. Okay, so in today's class we saw how to describe a person, and we learnt also méthode au pluriel. So while I give the answer key for you, I will just give the answers for this. Until then, as I helped you, you have to do the homework of describing a person, and also if you have any doubt on this, you can refer the avoir tabular column and you can complete this task. Fine. Okay, so we are just ending the lesson, lesson 5 today. Merci mes étudiants. Please do not forget to do your homework. Okay, and try to complete your classwork as soon as possible. because in the upcoming week we will ask it for correction. So a lot of people are not submitting properly. It is incomplete. Make it completed and please submit it. Okay. Merci mes étudiants, bonne journée, bonne chance pour votre examen.